Hello, Ngok. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Wow, you look so good today, huh? How are you today, Ngok? Wow, that's so nice. And did you already eat your dinner?
Yeah.
Yes, what did you eat? What did you eat for dinner? What
It's
did
for
you eat?
meat and it's for meat and alright.
Meat and rice?
Yes.
Wow, like this? What kind of meat? Like this meat. Meat and where is the
Meat and
rice?
rice.
Rice. Tinin. Oh,
Yeah.
yes. Oh, it's different in me, huh? My rice is very different. Rice. Okay, that's good to know. And how are you today? Are you happy today? Happy,
And
happy.
good.
Oh, okay, that's very good to know. So now, let's continue our lesson for today. So we still have, oh, what is the name of the, oh, what is the name of your toy?
And I don't.
Ah, it doesn't have a name?
Yes.
Oh, really? Why don't you name it?
I don't.
Why? Why you don't want to name her Pink Bear? Pink Bear because he is wear or she is wearing color pink. Is she wearing a color pink dress? Oh,
Mhm.
pink dress. Okay. So now, again, let's continue our lesson for today, Ngok. So we have here our story. We are still talking about Lottie again. What is the name of the girl in our story? Right.
Uh,
Is it Price? What what's the name? What's the name of the girl in our story?
the,
What's her name?
oh,
What's her name? This one, this girl. Look at the story. What is her name? This one, the girl. What is her name? Oh, it's Conan.
oh,
Oh, is it Detective Conan?
yes.
Oh, I thought she doesn't have a name. Is it a girl or a boy?
Sure, sure.
Ah, she's
It's
a
a
girl. Her name is Conan.
no, no, no.
No, no, no. What's that on the tag?
Conan. Uh,
Conan? Is that a cartoon? Conan?
ah,
Oh,
mhm.
is that Detective Conan?
Yes. Title.
Oh, oh, it's so cute. Like this one, Detective Conan. It's
Kid
so cute.
is a kid.
Yeah. Do you know Detective Conan? This? Oh, it's a very good movie. Or it's a very good cartoon. Okay, so now let's proceed with our story. No, again, what is the name of this girl? What's the name of this girl? Hmm. You forgot the name? Oh no. What's the name? What is her name? What?
Lottie.
Okay. How about the how about the white horse? What is the name of the white horse? What's the name of the white horse? Hmm.
Mabel. Mabel?
Is it Mabel? The white horse? This one. The horse. The white
Ida.
horse. Ah, you forgot? You forgot the name of the horse?
Ida.
Oh no. Here, this one. It's
Oh, Chester.
okay, very good. So this white horse is Chester. Chester, Chester, Chester. Again, what is the name of the white horse? Ngok? What's the name? Oh, I think it's Ran. The name of your
No.
it's Ran.
No, no.
She is this one, right? Okay, let me show you.
It's a rat. It's a rat. It's a rat.
Yeah. Ah, it's Ran. It's not
This is she. This is she.
Oh, yes. This one. Is this she?
What?
Is
No, no,
she?
no,
Ah, she's
no.
not that. She's
She.
this
She.
one. Ah,
She.
this. Ah, can you show the toy again? She is this girl?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
The
Yes.
the dress is
It,
different. The dress
is
is
she?
different. Oh, okay. I see. Can I see?
Is
Oh, okay. That is she. Oh, don't you have run? You don't have run?
is she
Who is that girl? What is the name of that girl?
Habarai. Habarai.
Habaran?
Yes.
Oh,
Mm.
okay. Wow, that's so nice. It's about Detective Conan. Okay, again, let's go back to our story and let's start. Let's start again reading the story that we have. So let's first start with this one. So let's read this one now. Let's read. What is this? Chester.
Chester, stop it.
Uh-huh.
Chester, it's Chester, stop it.
Okay, again, let's say stop. Not stop it. Stop.
Stop it.
Stop. Chester, stop. Okay, again, let's say Chester stopped. Chester stopped.
Chester, stop.
Okay. And Lottie
Dada,
and
stop.
Lottie.
Dada.
Chester stopped.
Lottie, Chester,
And
stop.
Lottie climbed down. Okay, again.
Oh, oh
Let's
no.
say Chester. Let's read. Let's read this one. Chester stopped.
Chester, stop.
And Lottie.
Up. And Lottie,
This
up.
one. This one. Let's read. Let's read.
Okay. Lottie, climb it.
Okay, again, let's say climbed. Climb
Climb, climb
down.
down.
Okay, next sentence. We
We can
fix.
th- this if we work as a team. She said confident. God, 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 God,
Confident. Okay, again, let's say confidently.
confident. Does anyone have any rope?
Okay, again, let's say this one. Rope. Rope.
Rope, rope.
Very, very good. How about this one? Can you read this one again? Let's say confidently. Confidently.
Combination.
Okay. Again, let's say confidently. Very
Confidently.
good. Nice. Okay, let's move on and proceed. Okay, let's read the next part of our story. We could We
we could, could,
use. Okay, let's read. We could
we could of
use, not
this
us. Use.
use
This.
these ribbons.
Mm-hmm.
Send though I can lift the block, say the tin robot.
Okay.
We can have how how group of toy so 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 so
So, soldiers. Again, let's say soldiers.
soldiers soldiers us to and agreed
Agreed. Again, let's say agreed.
agreed the bears
Perfect.
perfect said Lottie I think have plan.
Very good. So nice. Okay, so again, so these toys, they are in the train. However, the train had stopped because there is blocks blocking the train. That is why they need to work together. They need to work together to remove the blocks. Okay. So next, let's read. Let's read the next part of the story. Everyone.
Everyone.
Every-
Everyone got to work joining the ribbons together and tying them around the blocks.
And next is Chester.
Chester and the tin robots, bu- bullets,
Ag- Again, let's say pulled.
boot,
Pulled.
the
Pa, pa.
boot,
Letter P, not B. Pa, pa.
boot,
Pulled.
boot,
Pulled. Not Buddha. Pulled.
boot,
Pulled. Pulled.
boot,
Pulled.
boot, boot,
Not Buddha. Pa, pa. Pulled. Pu, pulled. Pulled.
boot, boot,
Okay, next. Pulled the.
Buddha,
Not Buddha. Pulled. Read it based on the read it based on the words, not based on what you hear.
Buddha,
Not Buddha. Pulled. Pa,
boot,
pa, pa, pa. Pulled.
Buddha, Buddha,
Not letter B. Don't use B. Letter P.
Buddha,
P.
Buddha,
Is that
P.
P? Okay,
Mm.
let me
You see?
this one. Like this.
pulled, pulled,
Do you
Board,
hear?
pulled,
board,
Pulled.
board,
Okay, so next. Let's read.
board.
Let's read again.
Okay,
Pulled.
board,
Not
board,
Buddha.
board, the
Not
ha-
bold. Pulled. Pulled.
board,
Not B. B. The
B,
difference,
B,
there is a big difference between letter P and letter B. Again, let's say pull, 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 pa, 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 pull, 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 pulled.
Wood.
Yes, that's right. Pull the heaviest.
The heaviest block out of the way. Wait. Wow. Wait. Why?
Mm?
The duck. Not yet.
Okay, let's
The
say,
smaller one.
let, okay, let's say nudged, not nudged, nudged.
Nudge.
Very good. Nice. Next.
The smaller ones.
Mm-hmm. Very good. So good job. So again, the toys, they help each other for them to remove the blocks. Okay, let's go to the next part of our story. Let's read again. The toys. The toys.
The toys.
Mm-hmm.
Format.
Formed, not formed. Formed.
Form. Long line. Pass. Blocks. To one. An,
Another.
another. As they say, a happy song.
Okay, again. Let's read this word again. What's this word, Ngok? What's the,
Words
oh,
to give.
again, what's that word?
Passing.
Pass. Yes, very good. Passing. And next, let's
Pass.
go proceed to the next part of the story.
Three words together. Yet if done
Mhm.
teamwork can be really fun.
Okay, very good. So perfect. Good job. And next.
Next.
So, next one.
Uh um before long the track
Mm-hmm.
was clear
Very
and
good.
the blocks were neat,
Neatly.
neatly lined up next to each
Pile. This
pile,
one.
pile,
Aisle.
pile,
Aisle, not pile. Aisle.
aisle.
I'll what? I'll send a message. Mm.
Pile.
This one, I'll send.
Huh?
What's next?
I'll send missing
Message.
message to my team. Send the green driver.
Driver.
Driver. After to the green open, they will get the bar,
Bridge.
bridge
Rebuilt. Rebuild. Very good.
rebuilt in no time.
Okay, very good. So good job. So okay. So in this picture or in this part of the story, so Lottie and the toys, so they help each other remove the blocks. And after that, so again, the train track is cleared so that they can they can ride the train again. Okay, and they will go to the grand opening. And so next, let's read the next part of the story, the grand opening.
A grand opening.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Shriek. Shriek.
Great teddy bear. We must must get going if we what want to make it in time.
Okay, again, let's read this word. Let's say want, not went.
Want.
Want. Very good. And next
Want.
part of the story,
Oh, the pass
passengers
passenger climb back
climb,
on climb
climb back,
climb
climb
climb back climb
on
back on broad uh
and
and the river
driver. Again, driver.
driver
Blue,
blue
blue. Yes, blue.
blue
The
blue the Western
okay, again, let's say whistle. Whistle.
whistle
Okay, perfect. So whistle. Okay, next part of
whistle
okay, so in the next part of our story, as we can see, so the road or the track is cleared again. That is why Lottie and the toys, so they go back inside the train and they will go to the grand opening. And the next part, next part is, let's read.
Why don't I take the train from her?
Here,
Sugar.
not her, here.
Here.
Mm-hmm.
From here.
Okay.
She
Suggested.
she guessed it.
Suggested.
Suggested.
Very good.
Lottie to suggested.
Mm-hmm.
Then you
Still,
still
you'll
still
still
have time to do your expensive shop.
special.
Lottie smiling
Smile.
smile gesture.
Okay, very good. Okay. And next,
He go
galloped.
galloped
Galloped. Again, galloped. Mm-hmm. Taking
of taking a shortcut escort
across.
escort
Again, let's say across. Across.
escorts
Across.
across
Very good. That's so nice.
the field.
Okay, so as we can see here, so Chester said goodbye to Lottie because Chester has another things to do. So Chester needs to finish his special job. That's why he needs to go because Lottie is inside the train. So again, Ngok, what happened in this part of the story? Ngok, what happened? What happened? You're not listening, What happened? What happened in this part of the story? What happened? What happened? Okay, so again, so in this story, they are able to remove
Training.
all the blocks. That is why Lottie and the toys, they go back to the train and they will go to the grand opening. And Chester says goodbye to Lottie because he has a special job to do. And Lottie is in the train, so no need for Chester to have Lottie. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go to the next part of our story. The train.
Train. The train began to chug
Again, again, let's say
along,
chug. Chug, not
chug,
chalk. Yes, very
chug
good. Chug.
along the track.
Mm-hmm.
Once on more,
Mm-hmm.
and all the
Yes. Ah, all
ye-
the passengers
passengers che- 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 che-
cheered,
cheer as they head uh, head
headed
head for the
theater.
they change
Again, let's say theater.
theater.
Very good. Okay. So I think, so for this one, as we can see, so the train, so it continues to go to the grand opening. So the grand opening is an event in this place where there are celebration. Okay. And next, let's read the last one.
Lottie
Lottie's
and the toys are, are,
arrive.
arrive to a
Huge
huge
crowd
gather
gathered
outside the 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 the
theater.
theater, huh?
Okay. Okay, so for this one, Ngox, I think it will be the end of our lesson and we will continue this lesson next time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you very much for your active participation in our story reading. So as usual, I do appreciate your passion or hard work to read the words and the paragraph. So good job, Ngok. Every day, good job. Thank you very much for your time today. See you again next Wednesday.
See you again.
Goodbye.